In this video you will learn how to fix a GPS arrow showing me the wrong way in Apple Maps, enable compass calibration, go to settings, privacy and security, location services, system services and turn on compass calibration on, recalibrate your compass, open the compass app and move your iPhone in a figure of 8 motion until the calibration is complete, turn location service off and on, go to service location and toggle it off and on again to refresh your GPS accuracy. Remove magnetic interface. Take your iPhone away from metal objects, magnetic casings or car mounts that can distort your compass. Restart your iPhone. Reboot refreshes your system sensors that can instantly correct the directional arrow. Update iOS. Check settings in general, software updates and install the available next update to fix your known GPS bug. Now you know how to fix GPS arrow is showing the wrong way in Apple Maps. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.